kept in custody, is going to see some kind of light of day post the defense arguments. As of now, the order has been reserved. Aryan Khan bail order has been reserved. This means that he will have to stay in court, in jail, in custody. That's in Arthur Road Prison in Bombay until the 20th. That is the minimum time frame because we are going to see a period in which the courts are closed until, of course, we see them actually reveal the order on his bail. So temporarily, he is going to have to stay in custody there until the 20th. Kamlesh, take us through. I mean, there is going to be a lot of back and forth on this. You were already telling us about the arguments that are being made, that this is political, for instance, by Nawab Malik, and that a celebrity son who did not have any drugs actually on his person is being harshly and unduly kept in custody.
Well, indeed, we've seen a lot of politics also, and not just at the NCB. This issue has been discussed outside the NCB as well. But I think that's some update before we go to that. I think the lawyers here would be coming out in some time from now, and we have Aryan Khan's I think team coming out there with the. They would be speaking to the media. We'll try to speak to them about the latest update from the court. In just a moment, the latest update from the Sessions Court, where the hearing is right now going on. The lawyers here are speaking to the media. The latest, what exactly has happened all throughout the day in the court.
हाई कोर्ट के उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा भी काफ़ी काउंटर सबमिशन किया हुआ है। अब उसके हिसाब से लेट्स होप कि जो भी रिजल्ट आए वो पॉजिटिव आए तो इस चीज़ की उम्मीद है।
लेकिन एक सेटबैक है कि 5 दिन जो है वो अब जेल में रहना पड़ेंगे। आप लोगों ने उम्मीद की थी कि शायद आज ही फैसला आ जाए।
देखिए, उम्मीद तो बहुत थी ये चीज़ की, लेकिन अभी जिस तरीके से जो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हुई है और जो बहस हुई है, अभी 4:45 तो यहीं पे हो गया है। तो कोर्ट को भी वक्त लगेगा एक चीज़ रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए कि कितना इस जो साइटेशंस जितना मेरे समझ में आ रहा है 50 से ऊपर गए हुए, 12 साइटेशन तो सिर्फ मेरे साइड से गए हुए थे। तो काफ़ी ये चीज़ों को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए कोर्ट को भी टाइम लगेगा। तो इस चीज़ की वजह से और ये छुट्टी पे जो बीच में आ रही है, तो इट्स एन अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन, बट वॉट एवर इट इज़, अभी जैसा भी है अब वेट तो करना पड़ेगा। बिल्कुल, इस बारे में बात और जज साहब ने यही बताया है कि वो पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि उस दिन सुबह को ही जल्द से जल्द ऑर्डर पास किया जाए। उन्होंने ये बताया कि वो पूरी कोशिश करें कि जल्द से जल्द ऑर्डर पास किया जाए। सेंटर लुक दो। डन। Ali Kashif Khan representing Munmun Dhamecha.
Thank you.
Sir. So you've heard what Munmun Dhamecha's lawyer had said. He is with us. Could you just brief us on what exactly happened inside the court right now? The order has been reserved. That's what we've been hearing.
See, basically the learned judge has heard all the arguments and counter arguments along with the several citations which have been tendered on record, and accordingly it has been stated by the honorable court that the orders will be passed on 20th. That means we will have to wait for further 5 days.
But all the orders will be passed on 20th. That's what you're saying.
All the 3 orders. This is what the court has said.
Okay, so you had Munmun Dhamecha's lawyer here. He said that the court has heard all the arguments here, and the order has been reserved till 20th, and the order will be passed on the 20th. That's what we heard from the lawyer. So more reactions are expected. This was Munmun Dhamecha, one of the accused in the case. Her lawyer representing her just put in his side, and we are expecting more updates as we've seen whatever arguments that have been placed in by Aryan Khan's lawyers.
So clearly, in what we heard from the lawyer just then, he said that the court wants time to go through the citations, that there were over 50 citations presented, and that the court wants adequate time to go through all of it. Remember, the hearings or the cases, from both sides concluded just around 4:30. The courts were meant to shut at 5:30, and then they head into Eid holidays, which last about 5 days. So this means that in the absence of a clear conclusion today, that the verdict will now only be announced after the Sera on Wednesday. The order will only be announced then.